Hello future makers, welcome to Teacherpreneur. So I get a lot of DMs asking what's the ideal age to teach phonics. I would say the ideal time to start teaching phonics to your child is 3 years of age. Before that, all the speech sounds of your child may be unclear, and so phonic sounds should not be taught at that stage, because if a child gets the sound wrong, he will read the wrong sound throughout his life, which is a bigger risk to take. Also, when a child is small, he does not understand the difference between two things. For example, till date, if I teach my child van, he will still point out to the fan because he does not understand that van and fan are two different words because the sounds are different. And hence, no matter how much enthusiasm you have to teach your child phonics, I believe that the correct age to start teaching sounds or phonics to your child should be 3 years, or when the child shows the signs of understanding sounds. But make sure you do not teach them ABCD before you teach them ABCD. If this video answered the query that you had in your mind, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Teacherpreneur for more such videos. See you soon.